If there is ever a time in history for leadership shift in the church, it's now. Ireland is strategically positioned to foster a vast kingdom leadership renewal across Europe. Hagnos Empowerment Initiatives, a unique seamless non-profit organization, invites you to the first Ireland Annual Apostolic Intervention 2019. Theme: The Church and Leadership Renewal. Speakers include Anderson Williams, Trinidad and Tobago; Paul Buffett, UK, and founder and president, HEI, Henry Okwara. Guest worship leader, Hagen Henderson, Bethel Church, USA. Holding at the Solid Rock Church, 6B Golden Bridge, Industrial Estate, Ticonel Road, Inchcore, Dublin 8, from the 22nd to the 24th of November 2019. Time schedule: Friday 22nd November 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Saturday 23rd November 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Sunday 24th November 5:30 p.m. For information and registration, visit ai2019.hagnos.ie. Email us at admin@hagnos.ie or call 087-353-3380 or 089-448-2808. HEI, Identity Empowerment Sustainability.